Good morning and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture. And what's really nice about the summertime is that we have such a nice quantity of local fruits and vegetables, as well as herbs, that are coming into season right here in our home vegetable gardens. And we've also got a plethora of that produce available at our local farmers markets. So sometimes I feel like I get in a rut about what I'm preparing at home. And so we have a very unique recipe that we want to share with you guys this morning on green beans with feta cheese and dill. And it's a new plated up Kentucky Proud recipe. It's really very unique in the fact that it has such nice qualities coming from it. So I really think you're going to like it. So we'll go ahead and get started and how to prepare this. So the first thing that you're going to need with your recipe is that you're going to need to have 2 pounds of green beans. And we've gone ahead and washed that and obviously taken off the ends to trim it. And then we've also just got it into bite-sized pieces. So the way I prepared my green beans is that you're going to have to steam it for about 5 minutes. So if you have a steamer at home, you can use that, but I've got a secret. I use these handy dandy steamer bags, and you can find that at your local grocer. And what you do is you just open up the bag, insert your green beans. It asks you to add about a tablespoon of water, and so basically you're just going to seal the bag once you're ready, and then you're going to insert it into your microwave according to the directions. Obviously we're going to do about 5 minutes to prepare our green beans. Next, after you let that set for a little bit, you're going to run it under some cool running water, and that just stops that cooking process. So I've already done that ahead of time, and so we've got this already ready to go in our dish here. So to that, you're going to take about 1/4 of a cup of some Italian dressing. And what I like about this recipe too is that it's got less than a certain amount of ingredients that are needed, and two, it's going to look really good. So we've added 1/4 of a cup there. 1/4 of a cup of feta cheese is coming in next. That's a nice complement to our green beans. We're also going to add 1/4 of a cup of chopped red onion, a nice color contrast there as well. If you don't like onion, you don't have to add this if you don't like, but again, it does add a lot of nice color contrast. We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of some almonds, give you a nice little crunch to this summertime salad. And then we're also going to add my favorite part. This is dill, and it's very a versatile herb, so we're just going to add that in. One quick secret that I want to show you guys real quick, show you how I prepared it, is I've actually got some herb scissors here, and that makes it really easy when you're chopping up the herbs to add to your salad. So, and you can see it's got multiple blades here. So we're just going to go ahead and gently kind of chop that in there. You can use the whole stem, don't feel bad. You can basically use all of the parts. And you can harvest the dill all throughout the season, especially for the foliage. So if you get it stuck in your blades, you've got this little option where you can just run it through with your actual scissors, and that makes it really handy. So, and then lastly, we're going to add just a teaspoon of lemon juice to kind of complement all the ingredients we have going on. So we're just going to give this a nice gentle toss. And basically that is it. So very, very simple. You can actually serve this immediately, or if you want to refrigerate it and let those actual flavors marry, that's the way that I like to serve this. So, that's very, very simple, doable, and you're using a lot of local, seasonal type produce that's coming in right now here in Kentucky. So I hope you enjoyed this segment today on our Farm and Home Show. If you would like to get a copy of our green beans with feta cheese and dill, you can pick that up at your local extension office. And what's interesting is we're located in all 120 counties right here in Kentucky. And so remember, this is a plated up Kentucky Proud recipe, so all you have to do is just ask for that. And if you'd like some more information on how to prepare some local fruits or vegetable for this time of year, make sure you contact your local extension office. This is going to be so good. I can't wait to serve it alongside with some other things like that. So thanks for watching the Farm and Home Show, and we hope that you have a wonderful and great day.